So our key point was mathematicians can multiply or divide equations to create equivalent equations. But why on earth would you ever do that? Why not just solve the equation that they give you, right? Well, look at this example. We have 1/4 x minus 2/3 equals 6. Nobody likes fractions. Nobody wants them. Nobody asked for them. So we can get rid of them. You can make this equation easier to solve if you get rid of the fractions. Now, how do you do that? Step 1, you're going to look at the denominators. You're going to look at the different denominators. What do I mean by that? Well, 4 is different from 3, okay? So I'm looking at 4 and 3. If I had 1/3 x minus 2/3, well, I would just be looking at 3 because those are both the same number, okay? So look at the different denominators, and you're going to find the least common multiple of the denominators. Then you're going to multiply each term by the LCM. So how do I do that? Well, multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16. Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. What is the first number they have in common? 12. So if I want to get rid of fractions, I would multiply both of these equations by 12, or every term by 12. So first term, second term, third term, I would multiply by 12. Guess what? If you don't have time to figure out the LCM or you just can't remember it, just multiply the denominators together. That will always work. Sometimes it might be bigger than what you need, but it will always work. What am I talking about? Say this was, I don't know, 1/8 x minus 1/4 equals 2. You can multiply 8 and 4 to get 32. If you multiply everything by 32, I guarantee your fractions will go away. But that's a big number, right? Because the LCM is 8. So if you can find the smallest, the least common multiple, use it. But if you just can't remember that or it's too many steps, just multiply them together. You might have bigger numbers, but it's fine to use a calculator, so no problem. That is it for the notes. This is how you find the number. Now you're going to practice finding the number that's going to get rid of the fractions for you.